Oh, that smells so good. So good. Okay, pardon the crazy lighting. It's very early in the morning here in Florida. I just unboxed this. It's running up here in the top so you know what it's like and what the assembly's like. Super simple. This is the East Oak 30-inch smoker, which I'm so excited about. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to finish setting it up and we're going to smoke some ribs, and then I'm going to let you know if I'm a smoker chef or not and if you could be one or not. So really, the setup is complete when it comes here. There's just a couple shelves and that kind of stuff, which I'm going to wash before I put it in. So they're very clear instructions where you basically wipe it out with water, put a little bit of cooking oil in it, and then let it run for about 2 hours. And that kind of cures and cleans everything, and then we're ready to cook. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'll come back to you when it's time to cook. I'll show you what that process is like. See if I know how to make decent ribs my first time out. Okay, the chips are in, the water's in. Let's try preheating it. Let's try turning it on. 240 degrees. Let's just set the time for 1 hour. We won't need that, we're just preheating, but let's set the time. All right, we're all warmed up. Look at that. Woo! Oh, that smells so good. So good. Look at how good that looks. A little different rub on this one. Up. Okay, 3 hours, and we'll come back to the next step. Looking unbelievable. Oh yeah, look at that. That's one style. Version 2, I'll take you in and show you what they look like on the table. Okay, I'm sitting here on the floor because it's the only way for me to really be close to it, to talk to you about it, and you can see the product at the same time. And even here, right now, a day after that amazing cook which you saw, it smells amazing sitting here. I have to say, even Nikki, who wasn't really a believer in this, is like sold on it. This thing is absolutely awesome. Our first run through trying to really do barbecue, and it was so easy and so... It's definitely not quick. It's a whole day thing. We accidentally started our, by getting ingredients and researching how to do it, all that kind of stuff, shooting video. We ended up starting at 5 o'clock at night. So like our ribs were ready at 11, but it was worth the wait. In any case, this is absolutely a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking to get a gift for the guy in your family or the lady in your family to really upgrade their barbecue game, this is definitely the way to go. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.